question. A point R with x coordinate 4 lies on the line segment joining P2 minus 3 4 Q8 0 10. Find R. So point R with x coordinate 4. So you can take the line segment joining the 2 points. That is, this is a line segment and its coordinates are 2 minus 3 4, and this one coordinate is Q 8 0 10. And it is also given that R is a point with x coordinate 4. We do not know what are the other coordinates. Okay, so let us just assume that the other coordinates are x comma y. Now how to do this question is, it will be easy if you take the section formula. So we can take that, let R divides PQ in the ratio K is to 1. So that we can write that PR is to QR is K is to 1. Now apply the section formula and create an equation in K. How you will apply the section formula is, you can just find out the x coordinate of R by using the section formula. So what is that? X coordinate of R. By using section formula, you will get K into 8 plus 1 into 2 by K plus 1 by using the section formula. And as per question, you are given the x coordinate of R as 4. So as per question, it is given that the x coordinate is 4. 4 equal to 8k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. So on cross multiplication, you get 4k plus 4 equal to 8k plus 2. And you get 4k is equal to, you can see that is 2, and k equal to 2 by 4, or it is 1 by 2. So the ratio is 1 by 2 is to 1. After getting the value of k, how to find the other coordinates of R? Again, you apply the section formula to find the other coordinates. That is, you have here R code. This ratio is k is to 1, and these 2 points we know. So you apply the section formula to find the other coordinates. So what will be that? It is k into 0 plus 1 into minus 3. That is a y coordinate equal to. Apply the formula, you will get k as this k is equal to, you have 1 by 2, right? So k is 1 by 2. So it is denominator becomes 1 by 2 plus 1, and here it is 1 by 2 into the y coordinate of q, that is 0, plus 1 into the y coordinate of p, that is minus 3, divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. So multiplying with 1 by 2, I'll just simplify this, that is minus 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So we are getting this as minus 3 into 2 by. Similarly, you will find z coordinate also. For z coordinate, you will multiply k into 10 plus 1 into 4. Hello, sir. 5 root 2 units from the point P 3 minus 2 5. So find the coordinates of a point on y-axis which is at a distance of 5 root 2 units from the point P 3 minus 2 5. So what is to find is the coordinates of a point on y-axis. So you can assume, let the point be, how can you assume a point on y-axis? A point on y-axis will have two of its coordinates 0. So we can assume which two coordinates are 0? They are x coordinate 0 and z coordinate 0. Y coordinate may be a non-zero number, so we can take it as A. Now we have to find out the value of A. For that, you apply the condition given it. That is, what is the condition given? This point is at a distance of 5 root 2 units from P. So let us consider this point as Q. So according to question, it is given that PQ equal to 5 root 2 units. That means you have to apply the distance formula. Or to avoid the square root sign of distance formula, I am just squaring on both sides. PQ square is 5 root 2 into 5 root 2. That is 5 into 5, 25 into root 2 into root 2, that is 2. So 50. Now apply the distance formula. What you get is 3 minus 0 square plus a minus 2 square plus 5 minus 0 square is equal to 50. That means 9 plus a plus 2 square plus 5 square, that is 25, equal to 50. Or you get a plus 2 square equal to 16. Therefore, a plus 2 can be plus 4 or minus 4. Taking square root on both sides. Or you are getting two values for a. That is, the first value is a equal to, here if you apply a equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. And here if you apply a equal to minus 4 minus 6. So the coordinates of Q are, therefore the required point is it can be either 0 2 0 or 0 minus 6 0. Then exercise 12.3, question number 5. Question number 3. Find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment formed by joining the points So here is your one YZ plane is there. You can just imagine this plane here. This is your YZ plane. And find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides a line segment formed by the 2 points. That means there is a line segment, and the line segment you can draw like this. This line segment joining the 2 points. The points are, one point is, you can call it as P minus 2, 4, 7. And the other point is 3 minus 5, 8. Okay, now which point you have to find out? Find the ratio in which YZ plane divides a line segment. That means this line segment meet the plane at a particular point. I've just mark that point as this point. I can call it as Q. Now what you have to find out is you have to find the ratio PQ is to QR. Where is R? This is your R. PQ is to RQ. This you have to find out. So the ratio you have to find out. So definitely you have to use a section formula. So we can just assume that let the ratio be K is to 1. Or you can write let PQ is to RQ equal to K is to 1. Now to find the ratio K, you apply the condition given. What is the condition given here? Is you can see that this is a YZ plane. YZ plane, what is the speciality of the point? Any point on YZ plane. In any point on YZ plane will have its X coordinate 0. We do not know what about the other coordinates. It can be any point, but the X coordinate of any point on YZ plane is 0. So that property will apply. So the X coordinate of Q is 0 since Q lie on YZ plane. And therefore the X coordinate you apply this ratio K is to 1. So what is the X coordinate of Q by using section formula? It is Q into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 by K plus 1. Okay. So that is equal to 0. What are they? K into 3 plus 1 into minus 2, k into 3 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0, or this fraction is 0 means you can equate the numerator as 0. That is 3k minus 2 equal to 0, or k equal to 2 by 3, or the ratio is 2 by 3 is to 1, and a ratio can be multiplied with the same constant. So multiplying with 3 you get 2 is to 3. The line segment joining the points P 4, 2, minus 6 and Q 10, minus 16, 6. Find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, so here itself I am drawing the 2 points. Here is my line segment joining the 2 points. The 2 points are, here is my P, here is my Q. Now we have to find out the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment. What do you mean by trisect? Trisect, 2 points trisect means it divides it into 3 equal parts. It divides the line segment into 3 equal parts. Okay, bisect means the point which divides the line segment into 2 equal parts. But here this question is trisecting points. So these 2 points almost I have done it like trisecting. So I'm calling it as R and S. So we have to find out R and S. This can be done by using the section formula. Here trisect means you know that PR is to RS is to SQ, or 1 is to 1 is to 1. This is 1 is to 1 is to 1. Now at a time you can use section formula only for 1 point. So what you do? You find out first R. So what you can say, R divides PQ in which ratio? You can say that R divides PQ in 1 is to 2 ratio, or in the ratio 1 is to 2. Because why it is so? In bracket you can write that RP or PR is to RQ is this much is 1 and this much is 2. So 1 is to 2. Now apply the section formula to get the coordinates of R. So the coordinates of R, you will multiply 1 with this, that is 10 into 1 plus, here this one is 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2, because in rough also you can just visualize it. Here is your P, here is your R, and here is your Q. This is 1, this is 2. Now similarly you can find the other coordinates also. That is the coordinates minus 16 into 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 and z coordinate. That means this z coordinate 6 into this 1. 6 into 1, that is 6 only, plus 4 into 2, that is 8, divided by 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we will get the coordinates of r as 18 by 3. Here 4 minus 16, that is minus 12 by 3 and 14 by 3. So you can cancel it and you will get this as 6 minus 4, 14 by 3. So last one is what? 6 into once more you have to see where the points I have not written correctly. 6 into 1 plus 2 into minus 6. So here it is wrong. It is 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. So this becomes minus 6 and finally this answer minus 2. Similarly, to find the other coordinate s, if you take this line